Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. On today's video we are looking at the construction of the Lagos to Calabar coastal highway, and we are exploring this road to see how beautiful and how successful the road construction has gone. Anyways, do not forget to like, share and also comment on this video. Please don't forget to subscribe as well. This video will be covering the kilometer 5 to kilometer 12. On this video also we'll be checking how far the construction has gone, and you will notice the diversion and also where this road came together to meet again, all on today's video. So please do well to stick to the end of the video, and also let me know what you think concerning this amazing project that is going on in Lagos. This is one of the best and the fastest construction I've ever seen in Lagos, and this coastal road comes with a lot of benefits. Even though at the beginning it looks like it's gonna cause a lot of troubles, but it actually came with a lot of benefits, and along the line we are all seeing the benefit, and also everyone is happy with this construction. I'll be playing you the video for you to watch and see for yourself. But mind you, this is the road reinforcement which was done from kilometer 1 all the way to 47. This is also how it all looks. Nothing else has been done on the road reinforcement. It has been casted, so the road demarcation is the thing that is being created now. The drainage are also being installed, but after kilometer 5 you will notice no more drainage has been installed. It's just the road only that is being casted on kilometer 5 all the way to 40. Now when getting to kilometer 6, 7, 8, and this is around the areas where houses were demolished during the time the construction started, and a lot of buildings were demolished due to that. You notice people tend to live on the construction site more often. I think I'll also make a video concerning those people living on the construction site, so you could see for yourself how rampant and how risky it is for them to live and survive on this construction site. Right here is kilometer 7, and we are walking down to 8 to show you how the project is being done. Actually, they are casting the road demarcation and also making sure it is done properly, because now moving on to further, you will see from kilometer 8, 9 and 10 the construction there are very low, and people are very scarce. That's, I'm trying to say, workers are very scarce on those kilometers because there are no much work being done there. Most of the focus now are being focused at the construction sites around kilometer 1 all the way to 5, where drainage are being installed and also street lights are being installed. Then they move forward to kilometer 47 and above, where they are doing the filling and also the road revamping. That's, they are actually claiming the land from swampy areas. This place, as you can see, was also a swampy area before it was filled up and also the concrete reinforcement was done. So they are actually doing those things back to gain the land from the water, the swampy areas, to make sure it is as solid as possible to withstand the long term of this road use, because this coastal road is a road that is going to be used more often every day and also with lots of vehicles. After the construction of this road, there are going to be trees planted, and as you can see, this is the channel 5. And the company who are constructing this coastal road are known as High Tech Construction Company. Sorry I had to bring the camera down because filming in places like this are very not conducive, and at times it comes with prices to pay. So this is how the construction site looks. People are already building houses around the construction site. It's also a walkway for a lot of people now, and you could see public vehicles, that's commercial vehicles, are also moving on the construction site. Aside from the trailers and trucks that are being used on the construction site, there are also people riding bikes on the construction road, moving trucks, pushing carts and many other things right here on the construction site. Let's go back and let me show you more concerning this construction, and trust me, you're gonna love this video.